to say I am just being here. Is that a baby headlamp? I'm sorry, what?
Oh yeah, I didn't give you one because I wanted to see what you'd do.
Thanks, Jax. Appreciate it.
Oh, I'm an Australian extremist, and I've come to detonate this bomb that'll release all the most deadliest spiders into. Did I pick a bad timing?
Why doesn't the president have a bomb squad?
There's centipedes in there too.
Okay, which wire do I cut?
Follow your heart.
You stay out of this. Shouldn't you be, I don't know.
Hey, I'm on your side here.
You're literally not.
Come on, just pick your favorite color.
Like the red one? Wouldn't black be your favorite color then?